When Francis Scott Key wrote the Star-Spangled Banner over 200 years ago, he called America the land of the free and the home of the brave. Those words are true today as they were then.
Throughout the nation's history, American soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and Coast Guards have bravely answered to the call our defend and our freedom, to aid our friends and allies, and to turn back our aggressors.
We can never fully repay our debt of gratitude to the more than 650,000 American service members who died in battle, or the 1.4 million who were wounded. We can, however, recognize and thank the 25 million veterans still living today.
These words are inscribed on the Korean War Memorial in Washington, D.C. Our nation honors her sons and daughters who answered the call to defend our. They never knew, and people they never met.
Those words apply equally to many of our World War I, World War II, Korean War, Vietnam War, Gulf War, Iraq War, and the global war on terrorism veterans as well. They apply to today's active duty service members, tomorrow's veterans who are helping to maintain peace throughout the world.
Today is our privilege to say thank you to all of America's veterans, to let them know that we appreciate them for their service, to honor them for their sacrifice.
The price of freedom is high. We cannot afford to forget those willing to pay it. Today we celebrate America's veterans for keeping this nation, the land of the free and the home of the brave.